Codesignal, Arcade, Databases, Movie Directors. Hello everyone, I'll be solving movie directors from Codesignal. Let's begin. So you want to expand your movie collection and you have no preference. So you want to find directors who made these films in the movies info table with the following information. And with the given movies info information, you want to compose a list of directors you consider watching movies from. And the resulting table should have a single director column and contains the name of the film directors that shot movies after the year 2000, because you're a millennial, and they shot the total number of Oscar awards these movies received is more than 2. Alright, so you see an example, a whole crap load of movies, and you should get Christopher Nolan, because the total of all his movies accumulated to at least 2 or more, no, just 2, more than 2 Oscars, I believe. Yeah, it has to be exactly more than 2, not equals to 2. So let's do this. So we want to select only the director from moviesInfo, where the movie, I'll put where the Oscar, where year is greater than 2000. All right, and since we want the total number of movies to be greater than 2, I think we have to group this. First, we want to group this by director. And with this director, when we group this director, we could have some of Oscars within those columns. So in this case, we're going to use something called a halving filter. So you're familiar with the where filter, where the where is like a filter based on each individual row. But the halving filter is similar, except it's a filter based on the grouping. In this case, it's a grouping by director. So I'm going to do a halving of the sum of Oscars is greater than 2. And now I'm going to do this order by director name in ascending order. So just to go over this halving, I'm grouping this based on the Oscars, and this group by the Oscar count is per director. So if I run this tests, yes, it passes. I hit submit. Awesome. Alright guys, I hope you like this content. Please like and subscribe. And if you do, you're going to not only meet these directors in the next Golden Globe Awards. Oh, you know what goes with that one. But that's why this is a prize. You know, this is what I can afford to give you if you like and subscribe. You get to meet each of these directors and John Carpenter, who is a favorite of mine for my favorite cult classics like The Thing and They Live and Big Trouble in Little China. But I digress. No, just kidding. You guys have a good day. Good luck studying.